Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for May 15, 2024, featuring a Moon-Regulus Conjunction. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time followed by sunset at 8:05 p.m. The moon is at the evening half-full or first quarter phase at 6:48 a.m. Central Time, when the moon is below the horizon in the Americas. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Mars and Saturn are visible before sunrise. Mars continues its eastward march and widens a gap between the two planets. Its brightness is highly variable during its apparition, dim when far from Earth and bright when closest. This morning it is far from our planet and dimmer than what might be expected. At 1 hour before sunrise, the red planet is nearly 10 degrees above the eastern horizon. It mixes with the hues of morning twilight, so use a binocular to identify it. Saturn is easier to see, over 15 degrees above the east-southeast and over 20 degrees to Mars' upper right. It is higher in the sky, somewhat above the brighter twilight and easier to see, although it is minusculely dimmer than Mars. Venus passes solar conjunction during early June, followed by a wide swing in the western evening sky after sundown. This morning it is heavily veiled in bright twilight. Mercury is in the midst of a disappointing morning apparition for northern hemisphere sky watchers, while those in the southern hemisphere are easily seeing the planet. 1 hour before sunrise from the northern hemisphere, the planet is less than 5 degrees above the eastern horizon and hiding in pre-dawn's bright light. In the evening sky, Jupiter nears its solar conjunction, 3 days away. Then it moves west of the Sun, rising in the east before sunrise. It becomes visible again about the time of the summer solstice. The evening sky is without one of the 5 bright planets, although the slightly gibbous moon, 56% illuminated, is high in the southwest. 3.3 degrees to the upper left of Regulus, Leo's brightest star. Leo's stars are blotted out by the bright moonlight. To see them, either block the moon with your extended hand or use a binocular to trace the lion's pattern. The lion is visualized as westward facing. We see it in silhouette. The animal's head is outlined by a backwards question mark, also known as the sickle of Leo, resembling a farmer's cutting implement. Its haunches and tail, dotted by denebula, are made by a triangle, to the sickle's east. The moon sets around 7 hours after sundown and after midnight. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.